Good morning students, welcome you all to e-learning classes of ALPHORES. Today we are going to solve some problems related to relation between the roots and coefficients as well as nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. Okay. So first problem, if alpha, beta or the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then find the value of first one 1 by a alpha plus b plus 1 by a beta plus b. Second one, a alpha plus b whole power minus 2 plus a beta plus b whole power minus 2. Okay, yes, alpha beta are roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, as therefore sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus b by a, and the product of the roots alpha beta is equal to c by a. Okay, now 1 by a alpha plus b plus 1 by a beta plus b value we have to find. Okay, yes, now just you take LCM, simplify, you get the answer. But alpha is a root of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 now. As alpha is root means alpha satisfies our quadratic equation a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. This implies, yes, first two terms we have alpha common, a alpha plus b is equal to what? Minus c, as now a alpha plus b is equal to minus c by alpha. Similarly, beta also root of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, as similarly a beta plus b is equal to minus c by beta, because beta is a root, a beta square plus b beta plus c is equal to 0. First two terms beta is common, therefore a beta plus b is equal to what? Minus c by beta. A alpha plus b is equal to what? Minus c by alpha. As now first problem, as 1 by a alpha plus b plus 1 by a beta plus b is equal to, okay, 1 by, already we got it, a alpha plus beta, b value is what? Minus c by alpha plus 1 by minus c by beta. Now it is what? Minus of alpha plus beta by c. Okay, minus of 1 by c by alpha will become alpha by c plus beta by c. As we know, as alpha plus beta minus b by a minus b by a upon c, your answer is simply b by ac. b by ac. Now second one, as move on to second, as which is a alpha plus b whole power minus 2. A alpha plus b whole power minus 2 plus a beta plus b whole power minus 2. Yes, what is this value? Minus c by alpha whole power minus 2 minus c by beta whole power minus 2. Okay, yes, now minus whole power minus 2 is even, no, this minus will become plus beta, as this is what as bring into numerator, it will become alpha square by c square plus beta square by c square, because 1 by c by alpha whole square, it will become 1 by c square by alpha square, bring into numerator, it will become alpha square by c square plus beta square by c square, that is equal to, as this is c square, as numerator is alpha square plus beta square. You know very well, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 times of alpha beta by c square. What is alpha beta? Minus b by a whole square means b square by a square, b square by a square minus 2 times of c by a by what? C square. Now LCM is a square, as this is what? A square c square. Now this is b square minus 2ac. Okay, this is the value of as a alpha plus b whole power minus 2 plus a beta plus b whole power minus 2. Now move on to next question. If alpha beta are roots of ax square, or you take a general equation is ax square. Now you take alpha beta are roots of x square minus 15x plus 1 is equal to 0. As then the value of 1 by alpha minus 15 whole power minus 2 plus 1 by beta minus 15 whole power minus 2 is equal to. Okay, yes, already we have as alpha beta are roots of this, therefore alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus b by a minus of minus 15 by 1, as sum of the roots is 15, and product alpha beta is equal to c by a, that is what? 1. Okay, since alpha is a root, since alpha is a root, that implies alpha square minus 15 alpha plus 1 is equal to 0. As here first two terms alpha is common, alpha of alpha minus 15 equal to send that side minus 1, as this is what? Alpha minus 15 is equal to what? Minus 1 by alpha. Yes, here as our question contain 1 by alpha minus 15, bring this side 1 by alpha minus 15 is equal to what? Minus alpha. 1 by alpha minus 15 is equal to minus alpha. Similarly 1 by beta minus 15 is equal to what? Minus beta. Now we have to find the value of 1 by alpha minus 15 whole power minus 2, 1 by beta minus 15 whole power minus 2. This value already we have minus alpha whole power minus 2 minus beta whole power minus 2. Yes, this is nothing but what? This is equal to alpha power, as here minus is there because it is even, this minus will become positive, as simply this is what? 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. What is LCM? Alpha square beta square. Now this is what? Beta square plus alpha square. You know very well, as a square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus 2 times of ab by alpha beta whole square. What is alpha plus beta? 15 square 225 minus 2 times of alpha beta is 1 by 1, as your answer is simply 223. Okay, otherwise just as find alpha plus beta, as what is alpha beta is equal to 1, as take that side 1 by alpha is equal to beta. Now 1 by beta is equal to alpha, you can do like that also. Okay, as move on to next question. If tan 22 degrees, tan 23 degrees or roots of x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0. X square plus ax plus b is equal to 0. Then condition is, yes, we have tan 22, tan 23 or the roots of this beta. As what is sum of the roots? Sum of the roots is nothing but tan 22 plus tan 23 is equal to what? Minus a, and product of the roots tan 22 into tan 23 is equal to what? Simply b by 1b, here minus a. But we have 22 degrees and one more angle is 23. Let as 22 degrees plus 23 degrees is what? 45 degrees. Apply both side tan, as this is what? Tan of 22 plus 23 degrees is equal to what? Tan 45 degrees. Now it is in the form of tan of a plus b, as this is what? Tan a, tan 22 plus tan 23 degrees by 1 minus tan 22 into tan 23 as is equal to what? 1. Yes, we have some of the roots, as tan 22 plus tan 23 is equal to what? Minus a by 1 minus this value is what? B is equal to 1. Therefore minus a is equal to 1 minus b. That implies a, bring that side, a plus b as minus 1 as plus 1 or as minus a plus b. This is as otherwise b, bring this side, otherwise a as bring that side, a minus b plus 1 is equal to 0. Yes, this is what? Minus a will become plus a, minus b plus 1 is equal to 0. And one more question, as if sin theta, cos theta or the roots of general equation, you take ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then the condition is oh, yes. Now your roots are what? Sin theta, cos theta. Now write down some of the roots. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to minus b by a, and product of the roots what? Sin theta cos theta is equal to what? C by a. Now you have to eliminate this theta. Okay, now squaring on as both side here, sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to what? B square by a square. Yes, now this is what? Once you expand, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to what? B square by a square. Therefore 1 plus we have sin theta cos theta value c by a is equal to what? B square by a square. Once you simplify, as take LCM, this is a plus 2ac, as a plus 2c, this is 2c by a is equal to what? B square by a square. 1a cancel here, a cancel. This implies a into a square plus 2ac is equal to what? B square. Therefore b square minus a square is equal to 2ac. You can write anyway. Okay, here b square minus a square is equal to ac. Now this is the connection between the roots and coefficients. Here sin theta plus cos theta minus b by a, sin theta cos theta is what? C by a. On to next question. If alpha square is equal to alpha minus 3, beta square is equal to beta minus 3, then the equation whose roots are alpha by beta comma beta by alpha is. Okay, he gave alpha square is equal to alpha minus 3, beta square is equal to 2 beta minus 3, as then the equation whose roots are alpha by beta comma beta by alpha is, as clearly is given alpha square is equal to alpha minus 3 and beta square is equal to what? 2 beta minus 3. Therefore as required quadratic equation, as equation whose roots are alpha comma beta, whose roots are alpha comma beta is x square, bring this side, minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, Now alpha is a root, alpha square as minus 2 alpha plus 3 is equal to 0. Beta is a root, beta square minus 2 beta plus 3 is equal to what? 0. Therefore, now as a required quadratic equation is x square minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, whose roots are what? Alpha comma beta. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to what? 2, and alpha beta is equal to 3. Now, our required equation whose roots are alpha by beta comma beta by alpha is S1, means sum of the roots alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Take LCM, here what? Alpha beta, alpha square plus beta square. Now you know very well it is what? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by what? Alpha beta. Okay, now replace alpha plus beta is what? Alpha plus beta is 2 and alpha beta is 3, as 2 square means 4 minus 2 times of 3 means 6 by again alpha beta is what? 3, as your answer is minus 2 by 3. This is S1. As again we have to find S2, you know very well, product of the roots alpha by beta into beta by alpha, as this is clearly equivalent to 1. Therefore, as a required quadratic equation as whose roots are alpha by beta comma beta by alpha is x square minus, this is what? S1x plus S2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus what we got? S1 minus 2 by 3 means minus of minus 2 by 3 of x plus S2 we got 1. As you take LCM, that is what? 3x square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now it is as a required quadratic equation whose roots are what? Alpha by beta comma beta by alpha. Let's move on to next question. If alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2 and alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to minus 52, then the equation whose roots are alpha comma beta is okay. As we know, some already is given sum of the roots what? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2. Yes, and he gave alpha cube plus beta cube, and alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to what? Minus 52. But as we know, as this is what? Alpha cube plus beta cube. As now we have to find a plus b whole cube. Now as alpha plus beta whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. As from this we have to find alpha beta, because already we have sum, now we have to find a product, then you get a quadratic equation. Yes, alpha plus beta already gave minus 2 whole cube means minus 8. This is alpha cube plus beta cube he gave minus 52 plus 3 times of alpha beta of alpha plus beta is what? Minus 2. This implies 3 into 2 as minus 6 alpha beta. Bring this side, 6 alpha beta is equal minus 52 plus 8. Minus 52 as plus 8. Now this is what? 6 alpha beta is equal to, this is what? Minus 54. Minus 44. Minus 44. Now this is what? Alpha beta is equal to minus 44 by 6. Here minus 22 by 3. Minus 22 by 3. Now as the required quadratic equation. Okay, required quadratic equation: x square minus s1x plus s2 is equal to 0. Okay, S1 is what? Sum of the roots. Already we have minus 2. Yes, S2 we got product of the roots minus 22 by 3 as x square minus what is S1 x? Minus means this is what? Plus 2x plus S2 is what? Minus 22 by 3 is equal to 0. Therefore 3x square plus 6x minus 22 is equal to 0. This is a required quadratic equation whose roots are alpha comma beta is. Let's move on to next question. If tan A, tan B are roots of x square minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. If tan A, tan B are roots of x square minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0, then sine square of A plus B, sine square of A plus B is equal to, okay. Yes, here tan A as tan B are roots means sum of the roots what? Tan A plus tan B is equal to what? 2, and product of the roots tan A, tan B is also equivalent to 2. Okay, yes, now we have to find sine square of A plus B. Before that we have to find angle A plus B in terms of tan. Now tan of A plus B. Yes, what is tan of A plus B? This is equal to what? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay, as sum of the roots already we know this is what? 2, as this is what? 1 minus what is tan A tan B? This is 2, as this is very clear, minus 2. Now we have to find a sine square of A plus B. Okay, already we got angle A plus B. What is sine square of A plus B? Okay, now we should write in terms of tan. This is nothing but as tan square of A plus B. As what is tan square of A plus B? Sine square of A plus B by cos square of A plus B. Here we have to, as in denominator we should as get cos square of A plus B, that we have to cancel no into cos square of A plus B. Okay, definitely you get sine square of A plus B beta. This is what? Sine square by cos square, this cos square cancel. Therefore tan square of A plus B by as cos square we can write what? Secant square of A plus B, secant square of A plus B. As now that is equal to what? Tan square of A plus B, as value we have as what is secant square theta? 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square of A plus B. Actually this is the formula for sine square theta is nothing but what? Tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Already we got tan of A plus B minus 2 no, as that is what? Minus 2 whole square by 1 plus of minus 2 whole square. This is 2 by 1 plus 4. Your answer is equivalent to 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Yes, here what? Minus 2 square is actually 4 no, this is minus 2 square is 4. Now this answer is what? 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Yes, move on to next question. If alpha beta are roots of x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0, then alpha power 5 plus beta power 5 is equal to, okay, directly we cannot find alpha power 5 plus beta power 5. Before, as we have to find alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube, as together we should multiply, as you get alpha power 5 plus beta power 5. As before that, alpha plus beta sum of the roots 2 and product of the roots is what? 4. Product of the roots is what? 4. Now alpha square plus beta square is equal to what? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2ab. As what is alpha plus beta here? As alpha plus beta 2, 2 square 4 minus 2 times of 4, 4 minus 8 is what? Minus 4. As and alpha cube plus beta cube, that is what? Alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta of alpha plus beta. This value is what? Alpha plus beta is 2. 2 cube 8 minus 3 times of 4 of what? 2. As this is equal to what? 8 minus 24 minus 16. Now as we have to multiply together, therefore alpha square plus beta square of alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to minus 4 times of minus 16. Alpha square into alpha cube alpha power 5, beta square into beta cube beta power 5 plus alpha square beta cube plus beta square alpha cube is equal to what? 64. Okay, from this alpha power 5 plus beta power 5, from these two, as alpha square beta square is common, as we are getting here beta plus alpha is equal to 64. Okay, as this implies alpha power 5 plus beta power 5, alpha beta already we have 4 square is what? 16 times of alpha plus beta is what? 4 is equal to what? 64. Okay, alpha beta is 4 here, as 4 all square is nothing but what here? 16. Alpha plus beta here what? Only 2. Okay, now this implies alpha power 5 plus beta power 5 is equal to 64 minus 32, as that implies alpha power 5 plus beta power 5 value is what? 32. Here product is 4, sum is 2, as 64 minus 32 will become 32. As move on to next question. If omega is a complex cube roots of unity. If omega is a complex cube roots of unity, then the equation whose roots are 2 omega plus 3 omega square, 2 omega square plus 3 omega. If omega is a complex cube roots of unity, then the equation whose roots are 2 omega plus 3 omega square, 2 omega square plus 3 omega. As you have to know, omega is a complex cube roots of unity. Now as come to here, what is cube roots of unity? Let x is equal to what? 1 power 1 by 3. As this is what? Cube roots of unity. Cubing on both sides, x cube is equal to 1. This implies x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Yes, now it is in the form of a cube minus b cube, a minus b, x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 0. This implies x minus 1, 0 means x is equal to 1, and x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation. Okay, now we have to find roots. X is equal minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here minus 1 plus or minus root minus 3 by 2. You know very well, as I square is minus 1, as this is minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. You know that is what I square value is minus 1. It is a as complex number. I square minus 1 root over 3 I square will become I root 3. Now here we have two roots. One is omega, other is omega square. Therefore x is equal to 1 and omega, next one is what? Omega square. These are always cube roots of unity. In this case 1 plus omega square always 0 and omega cube is equal to 1. Sum of the roots equal into 0 and product of the roots equal into 1. As 1 is omega means minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 is omega, then other is what? Minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 is what? Omega square. Sum of all these equal into 0 and product of these three roots equal into 1. This is called omega, and omega square values are minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. Now, I said omega is a complex cube roots of unity. Okay, now you have to find S1 sum of the roots. Okay, 2 omega plus 3 omega square plus 2 omega square plus 3 omega. Okay, 2 omega plus 2 omega square, 2 take out common, omega plus omega square, here 3 common, omega square plus omega, as 2 times of what is omega plus omega square value is always minus 1. This is minus 1 plus 3 times of minus 1 minus 2, as this is what, minus 3. This is equal to what, minus 5. This is S1. What is S2? Product of the roots. S2 product of the roots, 2 omega plus 3 omega square into 2 omega square plus 3 omega, multiply 2 into 2, 4 omega into omega square, omega cube. 2 3s are 6 omega square, 3 2s are 6 omega power 4, 3 3s are 9 omega cube. Now this is 4 omega cube is what, 1 plus 6 omega square plus 6. What is omega power 4? Omega cube is 1. Therefore, omega cube into omega, this is simple, 6 omega. This is what, 9 omega cube is 1. Now 4 plus 9, 13 plus 6 common, omega square plus omega. This is what, 13 plus 6 of what is omega plus omega square, minus 1. This answer is what, 13 minus 6. Result is what, 7. Therefore, required quadratic equation x square minus s1x plus s2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square, what is s1, minus 5 means plus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. This is our required quadratic equation whose roots are 2 omega plus 3 omega square comma 2 omega square plus 3 omega. Okay, we have to know this beta. This is what cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity are 1 omega omega square. Their sum is 0. Their product is always equal into 1.